Take some of our sticky fajita mix, sticky as heck because of the mozzarella on there, look. A little bit of our sour cream, a little sprinkling of coriander and a slice of lime, and then all we do is roll it up. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing sheet pan chicken fajitas, a simple, easy, quick recipe to make. However, we are making fajita seasoning. Now we're making 300 grams worth of seasoning mix. It lasts for 6 months, so if you eat fajitas, a perfect seasoning mix every time. So we're going to crack on, make the seasoning mix. Now, chili powder. Okay, this is Korean chili powder, and the reason why I use the chili powder from Korea, it's not horrendously spicy and it has like a smoky flavor. It's perfect. The company for this, I have no idea. Nongshim. Okay, it's in Korean. It's fantastic. Okay, so we got the chili powder. That is paprika, cayenne pepper. Now be careful with the cayenne unless you can take the heat. It's as spicy as heck. Black pepper, salt, cumin powder, sugar. Trust me, it needs the sugar. You've got too much chili and things going on in there. Even the onion garlic powder giving a slightly bitter taste. So we've got garlic powder, we've got onion powder, and this is corn flour. And that helps stick it all to everything when you use this. Well, let's give that a good mix. And you have one heck of a fajita seasoning mix right there. Whew, making my nose run. I can smell the chili, the cumin, I can smell it all. It smells superb. Now I can tell you that this is a fantastic blend of flavors in here. It really works every time. It's superb. So we have about 300 grams of seasoning powder there, and it does last for 6 months, so you need a tub. It's as easy as that. And a bag. Now I use Ziploc bags because I like to seal. And we'll put that in there. That is it. It's as easy as that. And we've got this fantastic fajita seasoning mix lasting for 6 months. Now a lot of fajitas around here, it's just so easy. You can either pan fry them or chuck them in the oven. Very quick indeed. So that is our seasoning mix in there. Perfect. Seal it up with your Ziploc bag for extra airtight seal. Lid on. 6 months. Perfect. Before we get on to making our fajitas, it would be really nice to have a sour cream dip. Now we're going to make it a Mexican style with lime and cilantro. So we want about a cup of sour cream in there. About that much. Now we want about a teaspoon of lime zest. Zester over the top. Just take off some zest without going all the way down to the pith. And we're wanting about a tablespoon of lime juice. So where we have zested, that seems like the ideal place to squeeze the lime from. So in we go with about a tablespoon of our lime juice. Perfect. Now you can use garlic with this if you so wish, and make it like a garlic sour cream. I'm not going to put garlic in, I don't think. I want about half a teaspoon of ground coriander. I want some smoked paprika. Now this is Spanish smoked paprika. I really love the flavour of this one. So we want about half a teaspoon. Now you can, when you serve up, you can always sprinkle a little bit of smoked paprika over the top when you serve. A little bit of pepper. We're not going to go too crazy on this. And a little bit of salt. So that's it basically. It's a mix up. And that is our dip. And we are just missing a little bit of ground. We are just missing a little bit of fine chopped coriander or cilantro. Get that in there. Let's just give it a little quick taste test. Come on, zingy, zesty, little bit of coriander. Ooh, a little kick of something with the smoked paprika. That is delicious. Okay, we're going to cover that. That's going in the fridge 30 minutes. Let all those flavours come together. It can be longer, don't worry about it, but minimum of 30 minutes, get that together while we prep everything else and start cooking. That is delicious. Okay, veggies. Now I'm using chicken thighs and I've already sliced them across. Taken the bone out, taken the skin off. You can use bone in, skin on, entirely up to you, but we want some shredded chicken across the top of our veggies when it's baking in the oven. So I've already cut it across. Right, our veggies. Okay, I've got onions, peppers, I've got jalapenos. We are slicing. Slice away, not too thin, because this is going to sit in our tray and it's going to bake, so it's going to shrink down obviously. Some nice slices. Everything goes in the bowl. It's very easy recipe to make this. So just chuck everything in there. A little bit of pepper. Now I have a couple of red peppers here because this one's tiny. Again, we want slices. And you can slice it as thick or as thin as you like. That's entirely up to you. Everything in that bowl. Bit of a green pepper, same with that. Yellow pepper, a little bit of contrasting colour going on here. You've got a tricolour, green, red, yellow, fantastic. Now, if you like jalapeno, which I do, that is going to be sliced and that is going in there too. I don't want the seeds, nothing to do with heat, it's to do with sticking in my teeth. So that comes out of there. Little turnover, tap with a knife, clean. Again, we just want some slices. So that's our veggies there, look. A nice little turnover. Look at that. What a fantastic colour. Now we will be using olive oil today, and we're using the high sapiente 24 litre air fryer. And we are going to be cooking at 180 because we're cooking chicken. Press start, let it warm up, that'll do. Our veggies, we want a little bit of olive oil in there, about 2 tablespoons. And we're going in with our fajita mix, and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of our mix. And we're going to give that a good mix. And the corn flour and everything should stick to our veggies. This is an absolutely cracking fajita mix, this. Way better than the packet, but I'll let you decide when you make it. There you go. That is our veggies ready for oven cooking. Chicken, our chicken, like I say, I'm using chicken thighs and I've already cut up into strips. 1 tablespoon of our mix over our chicken. Mix in, and that is our chicken ready for cooking in the oven. That is coated enough. Now you don't have to marinate this for any length of time. Don't worry about it. That is super duper, and that is going to stick on that chicken as it cooks. Now I am going to add just a little bit of olive oil, just to loosen it all up a little bit. We don't want it stuck. So that's our chicken ready to go. Our tray. Put the tray in the oven. Warm the tray up. It doesn't matter where it goes, just warm it up a little minute. Okay, a couple of minutes, tray out, on there, olive oil on there, veggies on there. It looks a lot, looks like a mountain of veg. It's not, it's going to shrink. Chicken on the top. There we have it. What a fantastic looking tray. So that goes in there, straight in, fantastic. And that is going to be cooked. In fact, we're going to do 24 minutes and then we'll have a look. Okay, when you get down to about the last 5 minutes, we want to be taking some tortilla. Now I'm using packet tortilla today. I'll only take 4 out of here actually. Oh, that's stuck to that one, look. So we got about 4. So that's cooked very nicely in there, look. We want that in the top of there. It's going in for just a couple of minutes. Warm up our tortillas and then we're going to chuck them in some foil. You know, if you like cheese on your fajitas, you know, when you make a wrap, put some mozzarella or jack or anything like that on top of that now whilst it's cooking for the last 4 minutes and it melts on. Just go on there with some cheese of your choice, whether it be cheddar, mozzarella, anything like that. We're just going to put a little bit of stringiness through there and straight back in. Out with your tortillas. In some foil and wrap up. They're red hot, they're going to stay warm, they're going to steam a little bit in there. Absolutely perfect, ready for service. Okay, out it comes. Look at that. And you think it's crozzled, but if you look under there, we've got fantastic veggies. Look at those. And we got that melted mozzarella. Oh, all we need to do now is serve it up. Now you can actually put this into a fancy bowl to serve up if you so wish, but for the sake of this video we're just going to serve it straight from this tray onto a tortilla. Take some of our sticky fajita mix, sticky as heck because of the mozzarella on there, look. A little bit of our sour cream, a little sprinkling of coriander and a slice of lime, And then all we do is roll it up. There we are, sheet pan fajitas. Let's give it a taste test. Now, to me, this is one of those absolutely fabulous finger foods. Love fajitas. Really, really love fajitas. Let's just roll that up into a wrap. And we are just going to... That is superb. Sour cream dip that we made with a lime through there gives it a fantastic freshness. Our fajita mix that we mixed up with our chicken, our peppers and everything, fantastic complementary. It's a full-bodied flavour. It's absolutely delicious. That really is superb. And you know, this actual dip sauce is so creamy, it's so refreshing with the lime. It's delicious. And don't forget, we've got some lime that you can squeeze over when you make up your fajitas. It's superb. You can't go wrong with this. This is one of those high quality finger foods. And you know, it's all cooked in the air fryer, tray bake. Wow. Best meal of the week. It's fantastic. All those flavors in there. You've got that little bit of cheese on there. You've got that creaminess from that dip. It's delicious. If you like what we're doing, don't forget a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.